Welcome to this tutorial on how to use SyncToy to back up your files. First, we're going to open up SyncToy, but before you do that, make sure that you've plugged in your USB or the device that's going to be backing up all of your files. And when you do that successfully, what you'll find is when you click on My Computer, it should come up there, and you can see that little letter there that says G. That's my G drive, so it tells me that's where everything will be backed up to. So, firstly, click on Start, search bar, type in Sync, and you'll find that it's got SyncToy up here. You can also go to All Programs, and for the newer computers you'll find that SyncToy will be just there. So obviously it goes in alphabetical order, and you'll see SyncToy there, so click on that. Once SyncToy has opened up, you're going to create what we call a folder pair. So if you click on Create a New Folder Pair, or you can also do it from up here as well, when you click Create a New Folder Pair, the left side are the files that you'd like to save, and the right folder is where all the files are going to go to, so that's where they're going to be backed up to. So click on Browse. Now normally you would back up all of your D drive, but for the purposes of this tutorial I'm only going to back up my documents which are here. So normally it would be everything on your D drive, but because it'll take such a long time to do it, I'm going to show you how you can create it doing the same way. So I'm clicking on just my documents, click OK. Now when I click Browse, it's going to say where we're going to save all of these files to. So you can see on my computer here, as before I said it would be on my G drive here. We're going to create a new folder, we'll call that CCB. Click on CCB, so it's selected. Click OK. You can see now it's saying get everything out of my documents, put it into my folder which is on CCB. I will click Next. Now the best option to choose is Contribute. The reason why is even if you delete something out of your D drive or your My Documents, you'll still have a copy in your backup just in case you ever need it, so it's best to click Contribute. Click Next. Now it's going to ask for a name, so I'm just going to put CCB, click Finish. Now if you'd like to change any of your options you can do so now, but just click on that button, you can change your options if you want to. For this purpose we're quite happy with that. I'm going to click on Run to say yes, I'm ready to go. Now what you'll find is this is going to take a while to go through. Now just moving this up so you can see it all. You'll see that you'll have this progress bar that goes from left to the right. Once it reaches the end, that means it's copied all of your files for you. It's a good idea to make sure that you back up your files at least once a week, because the techs or the school won't take any responsibility for any files that aren't backed up, so it's in your best interest to do so. For anyone in VCE, I would back up every night just to be on the safe side, and also make sure you don't store your backup in the same place that you have your computer in case it gets lost. So always keep them away from each other. I would keep my backup drive at home just to be on the safe side. So once that's done, you'll come up with an error. You can see there's two errors there at the moment. Don't be stressed about those things. They're most likely hidden files that you can't see or system files. Okay, click Close. You can now see you've got your CCB backup folder pair there. It has all of your options here. If you want to go back and change any of your options, so as an example, you can go back and say I want to exclude certain files, I want to change any files. You can go through and you can make those changes there if you want to. Okay, also you can change the action, so if you've accidentally made it synchronize, you can go back and change it to Contribute as well. So you can always make those changes. Once you're happy with that, next time you log back in, so we'll just close this up so you can see what it looks like. Go to File, type in SyncToy again. There it is. You'll see it's got the folder pair there and it says the last time that you've gone through, last run at that time there. Now if you click Run, it'll go through, and if there's any changes that you've made, it'll come up and show you those changes, but because there hasn't been any changes, it's all done. Click Close. And that's how you use SyncToy. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Remember to back up at least once a week.